Greeting everyone, myself Prashant Gupta. Today we are going to talk about Smart Search and the migration strategy in the multi-domain MDM 10.4. The agendas for today's session is a quick overview, what is Smart Search, followed by once the Smart Search is configured, how the results comes up in the E360 UI page. Then we have a quick demo, and the last one, what are the migration strategies which we need to follow during the upgrade to 10.4. Overview. Smart Search is actually a terminology being used in the E360 UI application where we can do the search on respective business entities. It was actually being introduced from MDM 10.x release onwards. So when I talk about business entities, right, so there are different types of searches being available. So starting with SSA name 3, so it's actually a structured one, the predefined rules we configure, right, where we should have a specific match columns, the match rule sets, and the necessary things which we go by. Coming to the queries, so here we are actually constrained by the packages, right? Whatever being defined on the database, where we should be knowing what are the columns we need to search. It's not like a free form search. But when I talk about the smart search or the business entity queries, so it's basically it provides me a platform as a free form search where it has the ability to go search across all the fields. Let's say if I have a search, let's say if I'm searching for a word say Prashant under the person business entity, it can search across all the searchable columns, whatever I have defined. So that's the main advantage, and we need not to do anything else as long the records are being indexed. It provides a Google-like text search engine for the text data. Whatever I want to search, I can do the search into my E360 UI application. And those particular search requests are going to use the indexes, whatever is being created at the Elasticsearch site. Sometimes where we need to search for some specific data set, we can also apply some filters and get our necessary record. Next, we are going to talk about the Smart Search in E360 UI homepage. So that's a quick screenshot, like whenever we do the search, how the representation is going to appear in E360 UI. Let's have a quick look on our demo. Here we have a 10.4 local environment, and I'm trying to log in into the E360 UI application. So once I log in, this is the home page, and here we can, the left hand side, we can see the IDD application name, MDM sample, and in the right hand side, this is the search box where we can do a free form search. And in the drop down, we can choose on which particular business entity we want to perform the search. At one time, we can choose only one. So let's say I'm searching for a keyword, say William. So it is going to do the search on all the searchable columns, either at the parent and child of the respective business entity. So in the response, I got three records: the Miguel Daniels, the William Brown, and the William D. Han. So the last two are pretty straightforward, but if I open the record number one, the Miguel Daniels, so here you can see that the child name, the city is actually marked as searchable, and it is searching on the William as well. Okay, so if I come back on the search screen, so in the left hand side, if say I want to apply some more filters, I can choose that and click on apply. It will going to refine the results. So that's a quick representation how the smart search works in the E360 UI framework. Okay, so next is migration strategy for MDM 10.4. So as we all are aware that MDM 10.4 is being released, so there is some situation like where some customers might be performing some upgrade. So in upgrade scenarios, if someone is coming from Solar platform, so we need to do a fresh installation of the Elasticsearch, and we need to regenerate the indices for the Elasticsearch front. But for the customers who are already using the Elasticsearch, so they can simply do the upgrade to the MDM Hub 10.4 platform. So they will not be going to lose their existing Elasticsearch setup. And so majorly, we can say that there are no major changes with respect to the customers who are already using the Elasticsearch. But when I talk about the fresh installation, guys, like where we are freshly installing the MDM 10.4 on some our local environment. So the major change here is like in the 10.3 side, we were having the Elasticsearch package inbuilt from the MDM installers. But coming from 10.4, so what we need to do is we need to do download the Elasticsearch package, the Elasticsearch zip file from the Elasticsearch site. Okay, and then we need to explicitly create these particular folders. If you can see that the analysis folder and the lang folder manually, and under that we need to place up these particular files, the stopword.txt, synonym.txt, mappings one, and the stopwords file. So these files, if in case like you are not able to have these, you can feel free to reach out to GCS so that we can provide these necessary files for the same. And once all these files are being in place, then we are good to configure the Smart Search as the same setup. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much.